So the work that you see here is all original artwork by Cande Aguilar. He is from Brownsville, Texas, which is a town on the border of Texas and Mexico. And that physical location provides a lot of inspiration for Cande's work. Being in a neighborhood on the border with Mexican and American and Texan culture all wrapped up into one aesthetic. The posters that are on this wall are found works of art. Cande went to a local grocery store, a meat market, and was willing to purchase these leftover, sort of discarded posters that showed the prices of marketplace items, but they ended up just giving them to him, and he was so excited. Also in the gallery is Cande's childhood accordion. Something that a lot of people don't know about Cande is that he started out as a musician and was a bit of a child prodigy, playing in his father and godfather's conjunto band, and he played the accordion. And so we have it preserved in the gallery sort of as an artifact of the artist's life. Cande recorded his first album by the time he was 13 and went on tour with this conjunto band, and that's when he said he really experienced art for the first time as a child traveling around. This large work of art is made up of 4 panels, and this really shows how much Cande is influenced by pop culture and sort of the culture around him in Brownsville on the border. So we have a combination of a lot of images here, probably the most prominent being Christopher Robin, but then we also see in the lower left corner, Cande has borrowed a landscape from a Vincent van Gogh painting, the butterflies from the Yellow Submarine Beatles cartoon, and then another poster that has sort of migrated over from the marketplace posters on the other wall. And then finally the sort of crayon-looking drawing in the left center is actually borrowed from one of his own children. I'm Jackie Edwards. I'm the assistant curator here at the McNay, and I am honored to have organized this exhibition, Cande Aguilar, barrioPop, at the McNay. barrioPop is on view here at the McNay Art Museum in the patio gallery through May 5th, 2019. So come check it out.